The Honda EU2200i 2200W Portable Inverter Generator is a compact powerhouse designed for users who require reliable, clean power on the go. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or preparing for a power outage at home, this generator stands out as a top choice. It's part of Honda's renowned EU series, known for their efficiency, durability, and quiet operation. The EU2200i, in particular, has garnered attention for its impressive features and performance. One of the most striking aspects of the EU2200i is its lightweight and compact design. Weighing in at just 46.5 pounds, it is portable enough for one person to carry, which is a significant advantage over heavier generators. The dimensions are manageable, making it easy to store in a vehicle or a small space when not in use. The integrated handle allows for easy transport, a feature that outdoor enthusiasts will appreciate. The generator's 2200-watt output is an excellent fit for a variety of applications. It can power essential appliances such as refrigerators, microwaves, and even some power tools. With a surge wattage of 2800 watts, it can handle starting loads without a hitch, making it a versatile choice for both recreational and emergency use. The combination of its output capacity and the included companion and parallel cables means that two generators can be linked together for even greater power, up to 4,400 watts, which is fantastic for those who need more than just a few essentials powered at once. When it comes to operation, the EU2200i shines with its ultra-quiet technology. Operating at a noise level of just 48 dB at a quarter load, it's quieter than a normal conversation. This feature is particularly beneficial for camping trips or outdoor gatherings where noise restrictions may be in place. Additionally, the eco-throttle system adjusts the engine speed according to the load, enhancing fuel efficiency while also keeping noise levels down. This means longer run times on a single tank of gas, allowing more hours of uninterrupted power. Fuel efficiency is another standout feature of the EU2200i. It runs on regular unleaded gasoline and can provide up to 8.1 hours of runtime at a quarter load. The fuel tank holds just over 1 gallon, but thanks to Honda's engineering, it maximizes the fuel efficiency to offer a longer duration of use without frequent refueling. This is particularly handy during extended outages or trips where access to gasoline may be limited. The build quality of the EU2200i is a testament to Honda's engineering prowess. The generator features a durable steel frame and a robust exterior that can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Its design is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, with a sleek, modern look that fits into any environment. The control panel is intuitive, with easy-to-read indicators and outlets for multiple uses, including two 120V, 20A household outlets and a 12V DC outlet for charging batteries. Safety is another crucial aspect of the EU2200i, as it comes equipped with several protective features. The oil alert system shuts down the generator when the oil level is low, preventing engine damage. Additionally, the generator meets the stringent EPA and CARB requirements, making it an environmentally friendly option. This compliance is increasingly important for consumers who are environmentally conscious. There are a few minor drawbacks to consider. While the generator is generally easy to start, some users have reported that it may take a few pulls when cold. Additionally, the price point, while justified by its performance and reliability, may be higher than some budget-conscious consumers are willing to spend. However, given Honda's reputation and the generator's longevity, it is often seen as a worthwhile investment. In conclusion, the Honda EU2200i 2200W Portable Inverter Generator with companion and parallel cables offers a superb combination of power, portability, and efficiency. Its quiet operation, fuel efficiency, and robust build make it an ideal choice for both recreational use and emergency backup. While it sits at a higher price,